Blessings everyone. Today we're in a place called, I don't know, that's a half Old Harbour Road, alright? We're going in search of some caves. I'm gonna tell you what's the name of these caves further down in the video. I don't really remember the name right now. However, if this place is closed, then we will head to St. Elizabeth. As I know, say that's the plan today. It's kinda getting late, so I say I'm gonna check out this place and see if it is accessible, and so I can get this documented so we don't have to go to St. Elizabeth. Alright peeps? Beautiful landscape peeps. All of that was plantation land back then. All across. Yeah peeps, so we're actually, I think this should be the entrance. We'll go around and see the caves. However, I'm wait on a phone call to verify that so that we can proceed. Because if it's over here, I'm not sure how we get over there because I see fence and everything. I will show you that still. Alright. However, I think this should be the location. Yeah. Alright, so let me show you guys the surroundings. Yeah peeps, so we're on location. I actually got the information, but then what happened is that this place was fenced around. Alright, that's the insult distillery behind me. So because it's fenced around, I'm actually checking my map now as to what location is close by, you know. So let me show you this, guys. There are a lot of historical buildings here. However, I'm not finding an entrance to get up to the cave. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah peeps, so that's the factory, right? And the entrance would have been right there, but then it's fenced now, you know, as you notice, it's actually fenced, so therefore we wouldn't be able to access that place. And then the water commission had fenced here also. Alright, so there is no access in this place right now. Alright, there's a scheme being built up there. And then we have another factory over here. This is a very old factory, the Insul Distillery. It's made from bricks, as you notice. So this is a very old factory. Alright guys, so what we're doing now, I'm gonna check my map and see where's the other available location. Alright, so gonna follow me. Yeah guys, so this is the community. I'm not sure what's the name of this community, but it's actually like it's an old community where sugar workers normally live and all of that. Me all day stick with me and I drive at the same time, people. So I know that thing never. Alright. So it's an old community, guys. So yeah man, I head back out on Old Harbour Road in the shade, check my map and head to our next location. Alright, so no bear with me. Yeah peeps, so after looking at the map just now, I figured I'm gonna try to get to the Two Sisters Cave. That's the only one I think has a chance, a high percentage chance of us getting access. Alright, so I'm gonna make my way to the Two Sisters Cave. I'm gonna make my way to the Two Sisters Cave right now. Alright, so gonna follow me.
Inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I wanna say goodbye.
Yeah may pass us a big spot check the out as well. Four reckon car up on the reckon couple car well park up again.
Yeah.
And Sunday when I come from Tinda from Center.
One of my built some clocks and one Jamaican.
Yeah, Jamaica colour. See Gucci and Louis Vuitton are building clothes in a Jamaica colour too.
Yeah, me use the Magadir and then
The model there. Dark clocks done here already. Hey, I deal with that years, you know, brother. You not even remember how we know.
Buy one of them. Buy one of things, but
Not even with that, yeah. You know, I'm not eat them.
You know, that's what I'm not go right. I'm not eating like that.
I don't know how much meat, shrimp and crab and everything.
Me eat the shrimp still, but I not eat the crab still, isn't it?
Crab will smell you.
Yeah. I want the crab for you. That's why the shrimp kind of peppery and nice. And eat the one of them sell. I don't one of them sell out like in a supermarket, you know. When pull up the shrimp and they got the meat all right and
Yeah. They just look at them.
Yeah.
They can microwave all them there.
Right. You know what about the white rice and curry?
Yeah, I'll tell you. But you know what?
Yeah, it's always do it one. And it's expensive, you know, you see it, you know. Yeah, man. I broke my company, you know, I'm done with them, you know, because I'm at the one food, you know. After me and them, I sell tire and battery the cash up, I don't know if you know that company.
Automania?
Yeah,
I know Automania. You eat the
Dead.
back road there, no one. You eat the back road there.
I wouldn't call one and so.
You have one of them named Dumbo Hole then and the next one. So I'm never move on.
I love chocolate, pussy. What's that? Nice picture, you know.
No, them block off this so you can't enter the car. I'm glad because the road there, Simon. You have to enter from this.
I else I go down.
Eh? Elsha, yeah man, I'm going to Portmore and Elsha.
What is our prison on?
Yeah,
Campbell Farm.
Campbell Farm, yeah.
What they look Christian on them?
Low security, you see?
Eh?
Low security. You don't really have no only pass security.
Yeah.
You can run away if you want.
Yeah.
There are people that can good behavior.
Yeah.
And them backing up road now, just on this road, the road is cut off, you know.
Yeah.
I have to drive through the expanded there, you see it?
Yeah.
The road now,
them.
yeah. See the outside?
Yeah.
One road, they down here, so.
Yeah.
Where they let you out. From, come like, say, you don't have business now, the road cut off. But
What is
road,
the mobile man?
I don't know, factual warehouse. One road there, so it was straight up in the expanded.
Yeah.
Oh, come out, man. That's how it come out, yo. Some juvenile pop off one pop on round in the corner, I rev up the car on my next new time, see what one man. Lick the front of the car with him gun in the yo.
Yeah.
You know, you have to stop and rev on him to push me from the steering. Isn't it? Come out on the road.
I left them.
Left them.
I don't know if I am shot now.
They're not going to fire no shot time.
I don't get
And 11 nigga drive and the muffler loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
So they know on the excitement. I should the car don't make noise already.
Don't come on the road, that's the road.
No man, one road and then the cut around this one, the bridge and wash around on the expensive road.
Oh, the expense.
Yeah, dirt road and every cut when the rain fall. But around this one a nice night, around us a dangerous place.
Yeah.
One of them places you don't stop now.
Here, rob them on the road, I'm so hungry.
Hungry.
That's the place to go on this one.
own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
So that's the beach out there. Yeah, I'm going to show you from a better angle, you know, because I'm going to go back down to where the entrance is. Alright, this is the community of Elsha. Some large buildings. Elsha is really being developed. It's a very upscale neighborhood, as you can notice. Alright, so yeah, I'm trying to see if we can get over to Two Sisters Cave, which is over there. Let me show you that. Let me see if I can show you guys from this side. Alright, so that's over there. There's nobody over there. I'll go up at the main gate. Alright. Yeah, peeps. So, you know, I'm not gonna come this far and don't actually get to see what I came to see. So, yeah, man, don't follow me. So I'm heading down to the gate to see, because me just drive past me divider. Look at peeps. Elsha is really being developed, and I know I schemed around at the background of Elsha around there, so maybe me get a chance to show you that, guys. Alright. Yeah. So this is the entrance. One of the entrances. Alright. So I'm showing the sign now, just for you guys to see that we are at the location. Alright, so this is the sign. Two Sisters Cave, Elsha St. Catherine operating schedule. Alright, so yeah, let me see what I go on. And peeps, this is for educational purposes. Even if I go through the gate, guys, I'm not trespassing or trying to do anything nefarious. Alright, peeps, yeah, man. So guys, this look like it really, you know, like it's too small. Is it? And then there are persons over there. Yeah, guys, I really don't want to get charged for trespassing, you know, because the gate is locked. However, I think I'm gonna try to find out what's the cost when them are, not even the cost, when them are going to open, because even if I find out what the cost, I won't be able to return until they're open. So let me look at the schedule that they have here. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a picture of this also. Yeah. Alright, so peeps, me now going to take a chance and go over there because it's closed. I don't want to get charged for trespassing, and plus me have to upload the video. Yeah. So don't want to do that. So I'm going to show you around, what you call around this side again? I not even remember what you call around this, what them did. They shoot up the man them. Is that Green Bay Massacre? I think it is. However, I'm going to show you that, guys. Alright? Yeah. You're going to follow me. No farmer over here, so wilderness, yo. No farmer food tree, nothing. Luxury place, you know, man. You have to have AC live over here, so yeah, man. That's a big scheme and then big house here, yo. Have to have AC live over here, so. so on. I have to grab a right turn away. Then suppose on a right turn supposed to there, I have to go back down out of the roundabout, isn't it? Can't find a way. Alright, because I'll come back out and go back out and come from. A scheme I build up and like them take us some of the road, is it?
Yeah. A scheme, a new scheme.
New. That scheme on a 4-year-old, it's not?
Yeah.
No.
Up top, go
And
and build it
still
as
not
a
done
camp.
because your place now scheme not done build it.
Yeah, you can go up on top too.
Yeah.
Build it as a camp up to and place up. The way that's a deer now.
Yeah.
Then on
So I'm building there now, you see. I don't know if you can see it from us. I will building out the house
yeah,
so
I see
far
it.
still.
see the top part.
Yeah, I'm going to go up there, so.
Yeah, your space. Yeah.
I want some more cooler, is it?
Yeah, I want us to look busy. Bus run on that, man.
Yeah, man, bus run on JOTC.
Yeah.
Look over there, sir. Mickey. Yeah guys, so those of you who always are here and who don't know and who want to know this is back road. Alright? And I'm gonna explain what I mean when I say this is back road, but this is back road. And if y'all don't understand, I'll drive around here in the night and make you see what it is like in the night, alright? Yeah man, so I'm on my way to the Fort Augustus prison. And I'll show you that, but you can't go inside no peeps, I'm telling you that already. But I'm just gonna show you guys the structure and all of that because I think we're supposed to can film the front light, you know?
Watch it watch out, here come the fiber.
So guys, I'm not sure about this place, but I'll try and I see it still, alright? If I saw the road stay, I'm not going to further still now, because I have to get back off of the road.
And when is the prisoner still alright? It's still alright?
Yeah man, prisoner still.
So that's the road back. Them have to them special road and drive man.
That me I wonder for the
Right road.
Can't go down. Babes, I'm not going to go down on this road, you know. No way. Alright, so I'll turn back. I'm going to trust that place here, yo. There are some fast people up the road, they say, is it? People know going down here anything possible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yo, how they say you drive got to prison? That's so? I saw them road bad. The road that bad doors. A video me I make you. Subscribe to my channel, Elite Jamaica. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Elite Jamaica. Elite Jamaica. Me don't go down to the prison, but like, them road bad. So peeps, the road bad. I'm not gonna get a chance to go down there. I have to get my SUV first. I swear, Betsy been through a lot. Right now Betsy has a problem. One day I put back Betsy in her shop for some front end. Because the St. Mary Road kind of did mess me up when I drive around the junction. So I lick out my strut mount and I have one tire or bend up. I don't know if I the tire or the rim then. I think of the spare because through one of my muggle rim them broke. So I actually have one of the wheel lamp and one of the, we call them board wheel. You know them wheels that come with the car, so I don't know if I hit bend or if I tire bend. So yeah. Yeah peeps, so we are back in Fort Henderson and because we never know about them building there, no peeps. And like, I get feedback that there are more historic sites up here on the Port Henderson Hill. So I've come back to show you guys this. Alright, so we don't have nobody want to shout out because we just book some subscribers, no peeps.
I don't like the camera.
You don't like the camera? Alright. You don't like the camera. Hopefully face it high. Alright, so peeps, this is one of the buildings behind me. I'm not sure what this one was, but you know me, I do the research and I'm going to tell you guys. But I have something more interesting to show you guys. Let me show you that. Yeah peeps, so that's one of the cannons that they had actually used to defend this area. From my point of view, I think it did the higher up. Yeah, because after the higher up we shoot over sea. over there, so. So peeps, me just come up here, so I have to catch up the car and start. The car just lock off on the top of the hill and now start. So I have to film and see what if it start after. That's the building, guys. That's another of the buildings. And we will be going further up so we can see more. Alright, so follow me. That's another building right there. I never shown the one. Yeah, peeps. This is another one right here with a very large chimney. Not sure what this one was, but you know, buildings with chimneys means that they have a kitchen or something like that. Alright, let's run the back. Very large chimney here, guys. Yeah, I'm not even sure if it's a chimney or a lookout post, but yeah, it's large. Alright, so I'll move on. Guys, that's the beach over there, the sea. Not a beach, but the sea. Yeah. And that's the road we're going up on. Something dead around here, so you're something ever dead around here, so you don't know where I go on. So we'll go up, peeps. So guys, we'll walk go further up into the hill and see what we can find, because it's all cactus, maca and all of that, you know. But we'll see if no more building up top we can find. So yeah, man, follow me. Alright. So guys, this is what we have actually came upon. You know, this is the JDF, property of the JDF, you know, the JDF, the Jamaica Defense Force. Seems like it's a training camp. And then we have those buildings up there. Alright. Doesn't seem like old buildings. So, yeah, that's the beach out there again, guys. Let me show you all that. Yeah, guys, that's the beach out there. Beautiful, isn't it? So we'll head back down to the car now and see if it starts. Blessings everyone, and thank you all for watching. I did get home, yeah, the car start and all of that. Alright guys, if you got this far in the video, type history in the comment section down below. Alright, and if you're interested in these videos, support the thing. Alright, help us get to Westmoreland. Alright, contact me in case you want to donate to the channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the red subscribe button. Alright, tired peeps. So until then, y'all stay blessed. Look out for the next one.